My name is Peter Martin. I'm a soapstone carver from Oshawa. I'm here at the Gift of Art Gallery in Newcastle. And I'm going to talk to you today a little bit about the art of soapstone carving. Soapstone carving has a long history with the Inuit peoples of northern Canada, and it's now become a very popular art form. So today I'm going to talk to you about just how easy it is for you to learn how to carve a piece. Usually we start out with something like this. This is a rough cut of a beaver that is made from Quebec soapstone. And as you can see, it already has the general shape. And what I do as a teacher is I will cut that rough shape out, provide it to my students, and then I provide them with all the necessary tools that they have to use to finish it. And to get a finished piece, you can get something like this, which is an Atlantic puffin, also made from Quebec soapstone. Or my little guys over here, these are Inuit Inukshuks. And this is a little piece I call Arctic hockey. So I've taken a piece of white alabaster as the ice, and I've used Quebec soapstone to make the players, and then we even have a little goalie net. And all I used for these was this tool right here. This is called a 4-in-hand file, and it has a half round side, smooth and rough, and a flat side, smooth and rough. And with this tool, which you can purchase at any hardware store, or Canadian Tire, Home Depot, Lowe's, or Lee Valley Tools, you can do all the carving that you need. And that's pretty much it as far as the carving goes. Once the piece is sharp, is shaped the way you want it, then what will happen is we'll sand it with a piece of wet dry sandpaper, and then to finish it, you heat it up in a little toaster oven and use some beeswax to finish it off. If you want a nice shiny finish, you can spray lacquer it as well. So that's really it. It's a 3-step process: filing, sanding, and then finishing. And then you go from this to something like this. Thank you.